What's going on, guys? My name is Deconis Games here today. What you see before you is a entire mountain, part of a valley, covered in TNT. And of course, if you're not interested, you can just log off and watch another video. But if are you still here? Okay, good. Let's get right onto this. See, I already made me a little obsidian bunker. I made me an obsidian bunker right through here. It has the normal necessities someone would need: lights, chatting table, bed, and all the essentials. So let's cover this up. Find a TNT. TNT. Hold on. Where is it? Sorry, I'm taking this time. Finally. Okay. So this is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like. If you want me to something like that, cover that whole hill up, I'll do it. Okay. Did you guys take a picture of this? Good. Because now this is gonna blow you away. Okay. Let's get ready. The lag is real. I'm like crazy. Oh crud. Oh crud. Oh my gosh. I literally cannot move. This is so crazy. I can just see all that TNT and all the smoke. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. How long does it keep on going? Move. Ah! I literally only have 1 frame per second. Still going. It's still going. Okay. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm lagging like crazy. What? I'm just gonna pause the video and I'll unpause it when we get back. Holy cow. He's like, that steps eating boxer in, but now look at all this. It looks like a giant meteor. It wouldn't hit. It's like the asteroid that destroyed the dinosaurs came and destroyed this. And of course, you saw that I had little dams so the water wouldn't gap in. But look at this. This is crazy. Well, if you like this video, and want to see more content on my channel, leave a like. Subscribe for more daily content on my channel. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!